Ginger and how to use it every day to stay healthy. Ginger, whose formal name is Zingiber officinale, is a well-known and useful herb that has been used for hundreds of years in traditional medicine and cooking. Ginger has a great taste and smell, and it's also good for you in many other ways. So adding it to your daily routine is a good idea. This piece talks about how ginger can be used every day to improve your health. It talks about the different kinds of ginger, their possible health benefits, and easy ways to add them to your daily routine. Before moving on to the details of the video, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Ginger's food and nutrition facts. Let's learn about ginger's nutritional value before we get into how it can be used. This root has many bioactive chemicals, such as gingerol, which is a strong antioxidant and anti-inflammatory. Besides being tasty, ginger is also full of good things for you, like vitamin C, vitamin B6, and potassium. Because it's low in calories, you can eat it without feeling bad about it. How to use ginger every day. 1. Helping with digestive problems. Ginger is famous for its ability to help with a wide range of digestive issues, such as motion sickness, nausea, and heartburn. Ginger can help if you have morning sickness while you're pregnant or motion sickness while you're on a road trip. It's useful in several ways. Ginger tea. A cup of ginger tea can help ease stomach pain. To make ginger tea, just grate or slice fresh ginger and add honey to taste. Ginger chews. If you feel sick, chew on ginger sweets or lozenges. Ginger supplements. You can get ginger supplements in pill or tablet form, so that you can control how much you take. 2. Lowering inflammation. Ginger can help ease joint pain and muscle soreness because it is an anti-inflammatory. Here are some ways you can use ginger in your daily life. Smoothies. Add fresh or dried ginger to your morning drink to get the health benefits without the strong taste. Soups and stir-fries. Grated ginger gives soups and stir-fries a burst of taste and helps reduce inflammation. Ginger oil. Ginger essential oil applied to the skin can help ease joint pain and inflammation during massages. 3. Helps your immune system. The vitamins and antioxidants in ginger can make your immune system stronger, which means your body can fight off diseases better. If you want to use ginger every day, try these things. Drink a ginger shot every day, which is made from fresh ginger, lemon, and a little honey. This will give your immune system a boost. Ginger in cooking. Sprinkle ginger into stews, sauces, and marinades to make your food taste better and benefit your health. 4. Controlling blood sugar levels. Studies show that ginger may help control blood sugar levels, which makes it a useful addition for people with diabetes or who are worried about blood sugar control. Ginger-infused water. For a light, delicious ginger-flavored drink all day, add ginger slices to a pitcher of water. Ginger supplements. If you want a more intense way to control your blood sugar, you might want to try ginger supplements or ginger capsules. 5. Weight management. Ginger can help you control your weight by making you feel full and speeding up your metabolism. It's simple to work into your daily schedule. Ginger tea. Drinking a cup of ginger tea before or after a meal can help you eat less. Ginger in smoothies. To speed up your metabolism, put ginger in your smoothie in the morning. Some of the best health benefits come from ginger, a wonderful plant. It is easy to get and simple to add to your daily practice for health purposes. For those who want to help their gut system, lower inflammation, boost their immune system, control their blood sugar, or lose weight, ginger can help. Adding ginger to your daily routine can improve your health, and because it comes in many forms, including fresh ginger, ginger tea, ginger pills, and more, there's sure to be a way that works for you. Get started using ginger today, and you'll be on your way to being healthy and more energetic. How much ginger should you take every day, and who needs to be extra careful? Different people need different amounts of ginger every day, based on how they eat it and their health needs. It's important to remember that ginger is safe for most people as long as they eat it in moderation, and as part of a healthy diet. But there are some rules and things to think about when using it. 1. Ginger that is fresh. There is no set amount of fresh ginger that you should eat every day when you use it as a spice or in cooking. As requested, it can be added to food to make it taste better and improve its health. A small piece of fresh ginger is usually used in recipes, but this can be changed to suit your tastes. 2. The tea with ginger. A common way to get the health benefits of ginger is to drink ginger tea. Most of the time, drinking 1 or 2 cups of ginger tea a day is fine. You can use ginger tea bags or soak fresh ginger slices in hot water to make ginger tea. You can change how strong the tea is to your liking. 3. Notes on supplements. Ginger pills come in a number of different forms, such as capsules, powders, and extracts. The dose that is suggested can be different for each product and brand. It is very important to follow the directions on the product package, or talk to a medical professional about the right way to dose properly. 4. Herbal shots. If you're taking ginger shots, 1 small shot a day is usually a good amount. Most of the time, these shots are made of ginger that has been boiled down and mixed with other things like honey and lemon. People who need to be careful with ginger. Even though ginger is usually safe, the following people should be extra careful when using it. Women who are pregnant. Women who are pregnant should be careful about eating ginger, especially in large amounts, because it might make their cramps stronger. For detailed advice on how to use ginger while pregnant, it's best to talk to a doctor or nurse. People who take medicine. Some medicines, especially blood-thinning drugs or diabetes drugs, may not work well with ginger. Talk to your doctor if you are taking any prescription drugs to make sure there aren't any possible drug conflicts. Reactions to allergens. Some people might be allergic to ginger. If you eat ginger and then have signs like itching, swelling, or trouble breathing, you should see a doctor right away. Disorders of the blood. Ginger may slightly thin the blood, which could be a problem for people who have problems with bleeding. If you have a problem that makes you bleed easily or are about to have surgery, talk to your doctor about eating ginger. Sensitivity in the intestines. When taken in large amounts, ginger can sometimes make your stomach hurt, like with heartburn or stomach upset. If you have a weak stomach or a history of acid reflux, watch how much ginger you eat. Talking to a doctor or qualified dietitian is always a good idea before drastically increasing the amount of ginger you eat or using it as a medicine, especially if you already have health problems or are taking medications. They can give you personalized advice based on your specific health needs and help you figure out how much ginger you should take every day. If you find our video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Hoping to meet again in new videos.